girlfriend now. My girlfriend has been married before, like a lot of women in their 80s, and when you're dating someone for the first while, you meet friends at a party, you know, and people always ask you, oh, how long have you guys been going out? You say, oh, I don't know, 6 months. What do they always say? Oh, it sounds serious. It must be serious. Is it serious? I always say, yeah, it's definitely serious, because it's certainly not fun anymore. That's for sure. Very serious. So serious it's inoperable. That's how serious it is at this point. I'm pessimistic about relationships. I was at Loblaws today. I saw a guy, he was buying flowers. My first thought, somebody screwed up. It could have been his wife's birthday or their anniversary. No, to me, somebody forgot to clear their web browser history. That's what happened there. Yeah, no, it's true. My girlfriend and I, we fight about me snoring. She says, you gotta have this looked at. I can't get any rest. So I actually went to a sleep clinic, and they give you a questionnaire. And one of the questions was, do you stop breathing when you sleep? How the hell would I know? How would I know? So I asked my girlfriend, I said, do I stop breathing when I sleep? And if I do, why the hell haven't you said anything yet? It's kind of important. You know what she said? Actually, you do stop breathing. Sometimes I've counted up to 60 seconds if you're not breathing. I was like, you're counting now? She said, you know what she said? I kind of wanted to see how long you'd go for. Until I'm gone? She said, oh, come on. I would wake you up before you die. I was like, how would you know? I'm already not breathing. I could be dead lying there beside you already. She said, well, at least you wouldn't be goddamn snoring. And I had to go to Loblaws and get her some flowers. There's another question at the sleep clinic, and it's, do you kick during the night? Again, how would I know if I kick? So I asked my girlfriend, I said, do I kick during the night? She said, yes, you do. When I put the pillow over your head, you start to kick a bit. And then you stop breathing. I'll tell you this, I am tired of people complaining about my snoring. I have no control over this. That's like looking at a guy with a lazy eye going, would you fucking look over here? Come on, just once. Look me in the eye, for Christ's sake. I can't sleep thinking about your eye going off like